friends, and welcome back to my studio. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Taneva. Welcome. And I am just so excited to be here today and part of Sarah Taylor's Patreon collaboration. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about what I'm doing. I have a 24 by 48 inch canvas, and then the recipes that I'm using today for my base coat come from Tara Lombardi from Pieces of Tara Art, and I will link that recipe in my description below. And then for my pour over colors, I'm just using my normal pouring medium, and I'll also put that in the description below. We're trying to keep these videos a little bit on the shorter side today, so I don't want to spend too much time on that, but I will make sure that you have that information in the description. So my plan is I'm going to be doing the pearl section kind of in the middle here, and I'm planning on leaving some negative space on either end. And I'll show you with my paints how I'm going to be achieving that. And my plan is to have some nice oceany colors for the pearl paints, and then for my pour over paints, I'm going with some earthier colors to kind of balance that out. So yeah, let's, I'll bring you down, show you my paints, and then we'll get to pouring. Here we are with our colors. So for the color pearl base colors, I have Payne's Gray, Prussian Blue, and Turquoise, all from Liquitex. And then with these two colors, what I did was I added a squirt of golden Payne's Gray fluid because I wanted to add a good hit of pigment without changing the chemistry too much. The Pearl Essence medium just was kind of muting things a little too much, so I just wanted to add a little bit of richness to that. And then here I have drips saved from some of my practice pours. And what I did here is I added some black and a little bit of my pouring medium. And it's a little bit thicker than the other ones because I'm hoping that this will be less explosive, and this is going to help me create the negative space. And then here for my pour over colors, from Modern Masters, I have Pale Gold and their Pearl White. And most of all of the Modern Masters colors I've tried work really well as pour over colors to create pearls. And then from Golden, I have Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. And then I have from Liquitex Burnt Umber. And then Golden, I have their Quinacridone Magenta. And with this, I added a pretty healthy pour of the Burnt Umber also, because I wanted to give it a nice earthy tone to it. And then this is Soho Mineral Blue, and I did the same thing here. I added some burnt umber to it to get a little more of an earthy sort of color. So there we go.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know, about to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. I'm a long, long way from home. It's a long, long road I'm on, and the angels hear me cry. They sing me a lullaby, a lullaby. There's a picture in my hand of a faded smiling man, and the angels see me cry. They sing me a lullaby, they sing me a lullaby. If you take these tears from me, I will never ask for anything, 'cause the pain won't set me free. I've been strong so long. See me moving on to a place I've known so long, and the angels see me try. They sing me a lullaby, yeah, they sing me a lullaby. If you take these tears from me, I will never ask for anything, 'cause the pain won't set us free. And I've been strong for so long.
So this is the point where I usually do a little bit of cleanup, and then I literally remove myself from the canvas. I go and pour myself a cup of coffee, make myself a cup of tea. Evening, I might pour myself a glass of wine. But point is, as I walk away, I let the paints do their thing for 10, 15 minutes at least, okay? So I had switched my camera to time lapse, and I walked away, got my coffee, did a little cleanup, and unfortunately, immediately after that, I got called away to a small emergency. So I didn't get to work with the canvas as much as I usually would. Normally I would come back and I would, add colors or, work with composition a little bit, but I didn't have that luxury this time, unfortunately. So it didn't dry exactly how I had hoped. So I was left with a dilemma of, do I try to do something else? Wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do, but reality was I didn't have a lot of time to re-record a totally new painting. So I decided to work with what I have and work on some embellishments. And I've been doing a lot with different textures in my artwork lately. So I decided this would be a great canvas to experiment with. It had a good background. I liked the colors generally, but it just didn't have quite the composition or oomph that I wanted it to. So I am going to do a video on exactly what I'm doing with these textures here. So if you don't subscribe to me already, subscribe to me, and I will get that out in the next week or so, because I've got several canvases that I've done embellishments to, and I'm just going to kind of do an embellishing video and talk about these textures a lot more there, and the products that I'm using and whatnot. But yeah, I think it's always important to keep curious, keep playing, keep experimenting. here we are with just a quick little walk over here. I am really happy with how this turned out. Now, I do plan on adding some more embellishments. I'm gonna add some more paint, but I needed to wrap up for the video, so I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at the moment and how fun these textures are. I'm really loving these paints and I can't wait to play with them more. And I have taken a little hiatus from pearls before this, and I think it's safe to say I am definitely back to the addiction, so stay tuned for more. Thank you all so much for being here today. Thank you, Sarah, for putting this together. I hope you all have a beautiful day.